Well, it's been a really busy 6 months, and I've kind of been all over the place. We'll start with India. Back in March, this guy, Dr. C.P. Das, asked me to come to India for the AOPAS Conference as a visiting professor. I said, well, hey, sure, I'd love to. Then he asked me if I'd do an anterior approach surgery. I had thought like in a cadaver lab. He said no, like on a real patient. I said that sounds terrifying, but hey, if we can get a HANA table, I'll do it. So OSI sent one in, all the way from California. They also sent Kato from Japan to run the table, which was awesome. It took like forever to get there, but at least at the Heathrow layover, I got to hit the treadmill for a few minutes, so that was good. And then we finally got to Odisha, which was where the conference was taking place. This was a pelvic and acetabular fracture surgery conference, and it was super cool because Cloud Saji, one of my friends from Ohio, who's like Superman in the pelvis, was there, and also Carlos Sansoneto. This guy's fearless. He's from South America. He does the craziest cases you've ever seen. He leaves me completely in awe every time. We also made a lot of new friends, and then we went to Cadaver Lab where we practiced an anterior approach in preparation for the next day's live surgery. You'll have to tune in tomorrow to